Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. 400-hour web developer training concludes at Jantia Institute of Technology, JIT. GSU inspects incomplete polytechnic building in 01.SEPTEMBER village. KHADC CEM addresses loan document concerns with bank branch managers. And inaugural event of Mera Desh campaign kicks off in Meghalaya. Another news in detail. The 400-hour web developer training program supported by the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society under the Labour Department Skills Meghalaya initiative came to a successful conclusion on September 1st, 2023. The closing ceremony was held at Kyang Nangba Government College in Joai and was attended by key dignitaries. Among the distinguished guests present at the event were Lambormi Suchen, Skill Development Officer of West Jantia Hills, Bankitbor Marwen, Managing Director of JIT Joai, and FB Basan, MCS, Additional Deputy Commissioner of West Jantia Hills District. During his address, FB Basan encouraged the graduating students and expressed his belief that the skills acquired during the training would pave the way for a promising future. He emphasized the importance of self-responsibility and urged the students to actively seek job opportunities to secure their livelihoods.
Which one you go? Free one or paid one? Paid one. Same traveling, and then you do not want to endanger your life. I do not want to give you a position in the government or in a company where you don't know what you're doing. We want people who are equipped, we want people who are knowledgeable, we want people who have the skills to use when we require them. So, I would like to congratulate all of you for having successfully completed this course that you have done, and I hope that and wish you the very best that you will make use of these skills, you will apply for the various positions that are there, and like I said in the beginning, do not quit in 1 week. Sometimes it's difficult. Nobody says life is easy. Do not quit the second week. Do not quit in the third week. Keep trying. Keep achieving. Then only you will see that you will make a difference in your life. Please do not make one mistake which many students have made. And you have to promise yourself. Your parents have given you education, right? They have given you food in the morning, correct? Food in daytime, food at night. Okay. Is it your parents' job to find a job for you? Whose responsibility? Your responsibility. If your parents then comes and no, naliwat it is my purpose in life at least to find a job. Why? Because I'm telling you this, sir, so Leo, Silvano, Leo, not kampiyon. She didn't ask. Mother is asking. So imagine whether the daughter, the son likes it or not, don't know, but 80 correct. No, wrong. You would want to be somebody that you would want to do that job. Not because your father said, not because your mother said. So please, it is your effort, it is your right to work, and it is also your right to make sure that you do not depend on anybody. You stand on your own feet to get whatever position you want to get. Okay, so these viewers.
Members of the GSU Students Union GSU from the Gaswa Para unit in collaboration with the local Aking Nokmas of Gaswa Para Rongsebgre village conducted an inspection of an incomplete polytechnic building construction project in Rongsebgre village, South Garo Hills district on Thursday. The construction of the new polytechnic building was initially sanctioned by the state government in 2018 to benefit the Rongsebgre area. However, despite commencing in 2019, the construction work remains unfinished. Mr. Sengrik M. Marak, a representative of the Gazwa Para Unit GSU, emphasized that while the government had allocated funds for the construction, the appointed contractor had failed to meet the project's deadlines. He also highlighted the significant contribution of land donated by the Aking Nokmas of Rongsebgre village for this initiative. Both the GSU and the Aking Nokmas have urged the local MLA to intervene urgently and oversee the resumption of construction work.
First phase, second phase ni na bisong. Where school no. Ye first phase matot pije ba ha wan na khun khane nok school na khun. Ye first phase ba. Iko bisong mana iko me ba don thongai iko de ma sija. Iko ba sandibo. Nige mong dao anseng akanang niko khana katam na ha. Hazal gini chichet tonen chingsunang de onan diba kani aba chinga hazal gini chiskuni aba chinga. Andi de dauna khung ba era maini gaman macot cenga uni gaman dau gata ya nike songonoko development jekai polytechnic dau gata nike school college ya nakaparang for abani chi ansingni chadam birangni ansingni achek defante damage krangan ya nakaba biap rango ansingni daan ba wa polytechnic na ansingni technical education na nanga node wan daan ba Shillong na wan dau ba joina ya nakaba biap rang chi reang yemangna magaba phagmani thangka cross rang ponbea uni gaman dau gata ansingni ya nakapa biapo sipangapa biapon donggen smo ngode ansingni defante damage krang ansingni jong ada no birang ya nakapa biapo porai mengna ansingni society na maiba unglani ko dakpanaman gensem uni gaman ya nakapa education ni sectoron ya dakye neglect khani kode chinga bangin na student union wani gaman dakana kode bangin jegalinga uni gaman anga ya ko nakye mulmonaska ansingni local MLA Mr. Khartus R. Marak bikoba anga mulmonaska ya dakye galspi doneng pa building rangko ba dautan bi polytechnic rangko tharakke niat china jera kode yanak ba tharakke dike machot pija donggo parang ansinguna tharakke machot na kata mangen un baksana ansingni education minister pha rakham es sangma biko mungna kata nangmikia saksa education minister ngemungna na aba ya nakapa songni nokni development na daugutan niki purai ni gadango dentang ni kita thangduat na kamko khapode aro yan nakaba khamno ko tharake niat phode mutel begen tela nakemang ya dal salni bako agos kholat chisa hazal gni khul tham dalo chinga ya Kasopara GSU Student Union ni kita yano galspe doneng ko sanksi ni katna mangen galspe doneng pa yan polytechnic na kita college pa school yako thai na kita ni mungna dona chum deba dalo na kung nikat na kata matninga bureng dikchipe mung dongya aro construction ba rekani ran dauna kung ba na meke machuk kujenga uni gaman ya andakaba construction ba yan kin nokor kani nang ko machot pujani musa dalo chinga maini gaman dake obostong nginga aro yara maini aselongya wako chinga dao sandina kata ribaha dao yano angi site rang donga ya member rang yano angi jakasyo donga chingni akhing nokma rongse prin akhing nokma andeke mangna yano donga angi jakrao ya songni nokni member rang Ande kemang dao ya building ara basak kone aba chinga chum chingi chonchon tungni nikaha uni gaman ya ni gaman anga ya sungni nokni mandirangko anga mulmot naska ya basak kone aba chinga chum aro maini gaman onge chum ko aganatna sumai ko dawanga jojol atnakta nongkia ya building ko aba chinga de hazar gni chitoni na aba de aba chinga burung rangko jilla de niba bisone construction de hazar gni chiskuni aba chinga nagamang ya construction ne bidingo aga na to de manga jensalo ya construction ko kainga pa contractor subcontractor sia ha o subcontractor sia ni zamano dauna khungbayan burung e dongai na ha mamun ko ba khata pa aro sound contractor chungma du ko chicheng de ma sija nigaman government side kata chengai ko masinas ka maina don chipinga aro kha to de chuna nambat ken ne angade chanchia nigaman government side kata angade molatna sken
Panyat Singh's aim, the Chief Executive Member CEM of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC, summoned bank branch managers in Shillong today to discuss the challenges faced by residents when attempting to secure loans using KHADC issued documents. Complaints had emerged from the public highlighting that certain banks were not accepting KHADC documents for loan applications. The meeting took place at the KHADC office on September 1st with the primary objective of addressing the difficulties encountered by individuals who rely on KHADC documents to apply for loans. During the meeting, CEM Panyat Singh's aim emphasized that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Regulation and Administration Land Act 2021 had received approval from the state's governor. Consequently, documents issued by the KHADC are legally recognized and should be accepted without hesitation by banks as a valid basis for loan applications. In a significant move to commemorate the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav of Independence, State President Shri Ernest Mauri led the inauguration of the Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign. The event took place in the picturesque setting of Latkor, Lumhe, Nongkram Mandal, Meghalaya. Accompanied by a dedicated team comprising members from the State Committee, State Mahila Morcha, State Yuva Morcha and Shillong City District President Shri Mauri launched this momentous month-long campaign at the village level. Under the Meri Mati Mera Desh initiative, soil from various villages in the blocks spanning all districts of Meghalaya will be collected and placed into the sacred Amrit Kalash. This symbolic vessel, brimming with the essence of the land, will subsequently make its way to the nation's capital, New Delhi, where it will find its place in the Amrit Vatika. The inauguration event, marked by fervor and patriotism, heralds the beginning of a month-long journey that will resonate with the spirit of freedom and unity across Meghalaya and the entire nation. The working office of the National People's Party NPP observed a significant day on September 1st as they came together to commemorate the 76th birthday of the late Purno A. Sangma and the 11th anniversary of the NPP's establishment. In a heartfelt tribute to the party's founding leader, the event began with a garlanding of Purno A. Sangma's portrait, symbolizing the inedible mark he left on the party and Indian politics. The NPP Nongpo block, in collaboration with the NPYF Riboy, organized a pledging run campaign. This campaign involved a massive effort to clean and maintain the roads in Nongpo, a gesture aimed at preserving the memory of the leaders' contributions to the region. Among the dignitaries present at the event were Clement Maulong, President of NPP Riboy District, Rayonal Kharkamni, Working President of Nongpo Block, Pendap Lang Walang, President of NPYF Riboy District, Linus Lingdo, President of Nongpo Block, Felish Karhunai, President of the Women's Wing in Nongpo Block, and numerous other dedicated members of the NPP Nongpo Block.
Baru program berjam akan ada program. Baru lang ya pi, ba mentahi kumne cisingan, bangi lapli ya kan.
Hah? Belum lah.
In commemoration of the Foundation Day of the National People's Party and to mark the 76th birthday of late Purno A. Sangma, the National People's Youth Front NPYF Nongstoin Bloc extended a heartwarming gesture by visiting 2 orphanages in Nongstoin, Meghalaya. The NPYF Nongstoin Bloc members embarked on a meaningful mission, reaching out to Reverend S. Wallington Children's Home in Nong Pendeng and the Green Pasture at Maurusiar, where they extended their love and support to the young residents. During the visit, party leaders delivered heartfelt speeches emphasizing the importance of self-belief and resilience. They encouraged the young ones to aspire for their dreams, assuring them that the youth and the community stand together to support their ambitions.
Blok jongga Nongstoin Parti NPP but kumjuru but ka youth front jongga Parti NPP hapo Nongstoin konstitusi ka jongi ni ICP ka ni ka jingai kabarit ka ba phila ban pendam kam nagam ta ka ni ka home paro hoi lesibon
dai na ka khu apan rai ka ba PI nan ta jong ka ni ka home Hagni apor, hashabang sapan kat ini ka meeting ni apor. Session part ni aku belajar baru kinoket kam jangka NPP good front jangka Nongstoin Bloc baru ki rurang ba ki badan ni apor. Pakun juru ya ka Shillong Pendeng ni kewajiban kat bat ke home. Na apor ka apor banyak relang bat ke home. Na pentah ban lak ban kentiu ni ke home. Kum ni bakalong mentah.
In a heartfelt tribute to mark the Foundation Day of the National People's Party NPP and celebrate the 76th birthday of the late Purno A. Sangma, the East Khasi Hills NPP Women's Wing joined forces with the Regional Blood Bank Pasteur Institute Shillong for a noble cause. P. Nongplo, the state president of the Women's Wing NPP, expressed her enthusiasm about the party's enduring commitment to uplifting the state since its inception. She reiterated that the blood donation camp was organized with the primary aim of aiding those in need. Dr. C. Bodna, a prominent figure, extended her sincere gratitude to the NPP for undertaking this benevolent initiative, emphasizing the significant benefits it brings to the community.
Express my gratitude and appreciation yang ikong Jasmine Indo ibati ke kanita initiative bandalong yang kanita voluntary blood donation yang kasih in collaboration but the regional blood center yang tayo po Pasteur Institute right the I could be among the donation bang in commemorate to ya ka celebrate ya 76 anniversary of the Sangma ibangi berok kay regional but a very firm advocate jang public welfare. Kaya langkah po din, semua nilong very fortunate kung regional blood center, bangin na dan association, but mafi ka National People's Party. Kani ka first time bangin don ka association, but nga try house haja aro mila pelong ka blood camp ho panay December, project by December, by basu na nanti ko Pasteur Institute, regional blood center. Kabang ila pala sa iti minutes mo ba? Thank you so much. Of course, ni national association journey, but ka IGN, iba Andres, but the members journey. Of course, from time to time mo ba, ito panlong yung voluntary blood donation. Again, thank you so much. Sa ika team jo nga, my team and I, we are very happy long spending, grateful yung people that you all are coming forward without any fear, without any doubt, because kanika fear and doubt is something myths and misconception kanika problem at stage. Nice of you to come willingly forward for a very noble cause kataban ni Rafi to you to save life. Thank you for your time and your effort, and at the same time, the participation yung film takas ni all of you. Tanyarap yung libangin you ay kataka objective yung kaya kataka objective yung regional blood center. Objective jangka regional blood center kepada pantai kalau ingin you atas nama adequate means kebapiang safe quality blood and blood products harus kita proses throughout the year kan penyerap bangunai ke Shillong jadi patpa cek di rumah indong patut juga masih kau ini baka regional blood center kadang keluar kadang very heavy in the sense that the regional blood center, tangi hospital state district in Khamtan, civil hospital, Ganesh Das, Nangta Bade, blood storage centers, Bagalang, Ongi Betani, Fenokasukera, Bulletin, Hakajo Kapore, Niki, Niarap Yaki, blood storage centers, Ibadan Hapo, Mayrano, Niarap blood storage centers, Ibadan Nong, or Sona. Take a road, Kalon Kabakam, Shikam, Lada Undan, Iniki voluntary blood donors, the one Chikmat Panera. Kumani Tekia, Iniki voluntary blood donors, and Onki no ice now monster ha. Kumata national blood policy, we don't have in a center, but the WHO. Kajuong ini Bangladesh when you're 100%. Of course, we don't show the blood bank at the stage unit. We try, we put our effort, a continuous effort from all the blood bank plus the blood bank unit, bringing you 100%. But then, as per the available reports that we done, out of the total collection, in your last year, and share but we just have 17%. We have a huge gap among your ekatax now, Meghalaya ice now monster because kita ki voluntary blood donors kita ki cornerstone of safe quality blood. So we have we have to move towards quality service. They need come regional blood center, but the blood bank for the state we're trying to move towards that. They if you're done because we need to work together. We need each other. We can provide you the expertise, we can provide you the tool. But at the same time, people blood donors in so together we shall strive to serve humanity. We have yatrelang kumbat na hindi ba yatrelang. Ikatak hindi chipang kayo. Ini jo ong hindi ba kumfla ke kasnam ngimla ban yo ngimla ban snam ngimla ban triet ngimla ban snam patata kamdan substitute. Tadi betang na hi voluntary blood donors. So you are the backbone, you are the strength, you are the pillars of the blood transfusion services. The culture of voluntary blood donation at the state ni kadeka as directed. Stang doon kibrio kili ice na, luwa ice na. Udang batia ako hospital kili ice. No, what happened is that even the most educated people they take it as as an emergency service. It should not be taken as an emergency service because it's the blood that is there in the blood bank. Kadi kasnam kabla doon pang blood bank kabanyarap ikinong pang hospital. Iba syapoy, iba arnet, accident. Kapupuan hangat saya ngamlakan batay di. So it is the blood baladon pahapa blood bank kaba nirap itu. Ang ba ngani ice namo baladon batapang. Katu kalong tengken nomor ba ka hospital kam tulai itu video bandeni nomor tempat one place. So we are very committed. We are the regional blood center plus along with all the blood banks in the state. We are very committed to promote voluntary blood donation, reduce replacement donation, and eliminate professional donors. Kenang menginyo ay katakas ng kapasyanan, kabalag ng kinanjipang mo?
Na friend, suai tidak ide ban ini sama. Ide yang ini sama. Ini itu lahan Islam. Idon mensuah seperti Kongres. Sering bayami bilang iwan dengan seperti orang yang Kongres video nya NCP. NCP ada yang melihat kejadian ini sudah dimulai pakai NCP, malah NCP ke nakor tapi sama sulai hap saya harus kena miseng dari NCP ada juga parti miseng miseng yang ada parti ini sama orang beliau bain kuis bayar lagi seseng si perkat ini kalau mau perkat jadi ke NPP tham koridor ya nam takkan lagi plan dulu tadi kita banyak selang berkimpor himna ya saya tinggi bu dari seperti pak nam bagan seperti gaya terang tinggi sen dengan seperti house ni marjan kata sebab harus bisnis Di sama la saya perlu sampai mana dan mungkin uang keke baru imshoy lagi la penyelam juga. Belum perlu ada la penyelam penyelam. Kalau boleh, asyik tomhan. Mereka uang penyelam lagi. Tresitom imsui. Kumno berpikir lagi dulu ikam bergimpuak dengan berjuang ikam sendiri. Jadi terkadang setiap form ini parti. Nanti kasih hidung tanggal samut support berjuang. Sehingga diorang boleh dipen bagi senggaru. Sehingga bom susu tengah kami kalau hangai ni segi kan parti itu dari hangai. Hangai itu kayu ni apa? Hangai pelangi nah. Bisna pandar muka itu skem ni parti hangai. Beli segi itu baklai segi ba kita tu kenal macam mana ingin jadi. Segi ayah ni adu muka terus lalu pergi sama. No klaro pergi sama ajar tanril tengah ini lang. Adu muka Itulah sama dalam miskin itu. Sebab nang miskin yang boleh kita. Jadi kita itu kalau. Jadi kita punya pengasuh tu nanti kalau uang penting soal jalan. Keselamatan itu ini. Kita kami ingin pengasuh tu kedon bah halu tertarik mungkin. Ya, dia hari ini kita cintin, dia sampai bangga. Masa itu pun ada pra dua ketiga kota bermain hampir Israel sampai yang berbor jadi kita gini dengan yuk suruh kita gini kadai kilo ribu ban penting suai lagi selama ini nasun ha kadon kilo ribu lain ha hadu kata yang kita.
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.